students. Today we will discuss the Rostow stages of growth. Earlier we have discussed the classical theory. Now in series of classical theories of economic development. Now today we will discuss the new growth theory which is known as Rostow's stages of growth. The Rostow stages of growth of economic growth model is one of the major historical models of economic growth. It was given by American economist known as Walt Whitman Rostow during 1960s. This model is applicable according to him, and this model is applicable to all societies but viewed from a market economy perspective, which is also known as capital economy. So now we are going to discuss one by one the Rostow stages of growth. So basically there are 5 stages of Rostow model. The first stage is the traditional society. The second is the precondition for takeoff. The third is the takeoff, and fourth the drive to maturity. The fifth one is the age of high mass consumption. Okay, the countries can be placed in one of 5 categories in terms of stages of growth. So what is going to be happen in stage 1 basically according to him? So first you have to see the graph over here as well. Here when a country is in a traditional society, then the most of the people serve to the primary sector. Most of the economy based on the primary sector. So vast majority of that country's economic structure is based on the primary sector. Very few people engage to the secondary sector, and same with the tertiary sector, which is also known as the services sector. So in case of the traditional society, we have this kind of distribution. In case of precondition for takeoff, again vast majority of the people engage with the agriculture sector, and most of the economic resources belongs to the agriculture sector. Very few people again engaged in the instead of very few, now very few people engage in the secondary sector, and again very few in case of tertiary sector. So again a vast majority of the economy is belongs to the in case of precondition for takeoff belongs to the primary sector. Few, now that means there is increase in now people are starting engaging in the industrial sector. Now few people now engaged in the secondary sector, and again in case of tertiary sector it is still ignored, and very few people contributing towards the services sector. So in case of takeoff starting shows the declining trend in case of the share in case of agriculture sector. Now people are starting moving from the primary sector to secondary sector and tertiary sector. So now we can see the declining trend. Those people who previously engaged in the agriculture sector, now they are starting moving towards to the secondary sector and tertiary sector. So here we can see that the industrial sector also getting grow, and the industrial sector have the increasing trend, means people are more engaged in the industry sector. More industries are starting to establish in the country, so people are moving towards to the manufacturing sector, industrial sector. And then in case of fourth stage, the drive to maturity, now few people engaged in the agriculture sector. Now you can see the changes are now things are reversing. Now previously few people engaged in the secondary sector. Now in case of agriculture, when any country's economy at the stage of drive to maturity, now few people engaged in the primary sector, and now on average people are engaged to the secondary sector, and the in case of tertiary sector people are starting to join the services sector, and now this sector is starting growing rapidly. And in case of fifth stage, which is known as high mass consumption, now very few people, now you can see from first stage to the second stage, and connect all these stages with each other. You can see that now in start vast majority engaged in the traditional sector, and now vast majority engaged in the tertiary sector, which shows the sign of higher development, means that country is a developed country. So in the middle you have seen the trend of developing, and in the end we have seen the signs of development. So if you, at the first earlier two stages we are underdeveloped, or in case of takeoff, countries are on the developing stage, and in case of fourth and fifth the countries are developed. So you can see that things are reversing now. Most of the people now, in case of high mass consumption, are joined the services sector, and very few countries are very few people are engaged to the agriculture sector, or a country, or you can say that in economy the share of agriculture sector is now is quite low, as compared to the services and secondary sector. In case of traditional society, the share of agriculture sector around like 70, 80 to 90%, and only 10% share of economy divided in between to the secondary and tertiary sector. So the as these one by one, as the countries are going up, like from precondition to takeoff to the drive to the maturity and high mass consumption. So it shows that the share of economy is getting lower with each as we pass from one stage to the other stage in case of agriculture sector, and share of secondary and tertiary sector is starting increase with each stage, like from precondition to takeoff. So the secondary sector and tertiary sector have the increasing trend in case of their share in economy, and primary sector have the decreasing trend in case of their share in the economy of any specific country. So in case here is the graph which shows that on the horizontal axis we have the time, and on the vertical axis we have the saving and investment in case of industrial sector. So again it shows the same, it is a replication of the same trend that I have shown you in this graph. Again, on the start we have the traditional society, then precondition to take off, and then take off, which is in the middle, and then drive to the maturity. In case of high mass consumption, you can see that the curve is become kind of horizontal. It shows that now the country is sustainable, and it is that's why this curve shows the horizontal trend in this curve. So means now the country is sustainable, mature, and now this country enjoys the high consumption stage. Now people have more choices. So now one by one in the upcoming slides we will again going to discuss the again stage in in more detail, that I'm going to discuss with you in the